name is Rita and you're welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you've been a subscriber from when I began, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You're new here, please click on the red button, the red big button. Please subscribe to my channel. Yes, so as you guys know, I am a creative writer and I'm the founder of CHITCHAT.com, and I told you guys this YouTube channel is an extension of my blog. So here I'll be showing you guys how I go about my day and how I go about writing, and at times I write stuff on my blog. I'll come here to discuss about it. Well guys, I'm so sorry I've been gone for a while. Trust me, I've been going for good reasons, to get more content to give you guys. So you're welcome. Alright, so today we'll be talking about some stuff my aunts recommended for me to use on my skin. So I'll be taking you guys on this lovely journey, then you guys will let me know what you think about it. So I get a lot, so many people get to tell me so many times that they either love my skin is glowing, they keep asking me my skincare routine and all of that, and when I tell them I don't have a skincare routine, I think this is natural, they don't agree. Okay, when I mean I don't have a skincare routine, I don't mean I don't really have any skincare routine. I use a couple of things once in a while, but I don't know, it helps kind of. So my auntie kind of recommended a couple of stuff she thinks I can use on my skin that'll make it glow more. So you guys, I'll be using it here and you tell me what you think. So right here is a bowl. I have the mixture. I have turmeric, a spoon of milk, and cold water. So this is what we'll be using. You guys, let's see how it goes. So I tell people the first step to any facial routine is to wash your face. Yes, so you can use a special soap if you have for your face, or you just grab any soap, really use it on your face. So it's really important to wash your face before starting off. Yeah. So this is it, guys. So now that my face is all washed and clean, so my hands of course are clean, so I can dip my hand in it and just rub around my face and make sure it gets to every part of my face. Yeah, so while doing this, make sure it gets to every single part of your face. You can't leave any part out when you are doing this. Yeah, so yeah, after applying, it should look like this. As you can see, it has gotten to every part of my face. So the next step now is to leave it for about 45 minutes, and then by then it will form into a mask. Then we can peel off or wash off, or whatever the case may be. So for a whole 45 minutes, guys, let's gist. Have you guys visited my blog? What did you see? What do you think? Just know, anytime you visit it, you are free to comment, you're free to air your views. You can tell me whatever you think about my article. So guys, try to visit it. Yeah, so in 45 minutes I'll come down and I'm going to come here, wash it off, and then we'll see what happens afterwards. Don't worry about the recipe or whatever I used on my face. Don't worry, I'll be putting it right down so you can go there and then read it up. Yeah, so see you in 45 minutes. Hi guys, I'm back. So I washed up the turmeric mixture and I was just thinking I should just moisturize my normal day-to-day routine. So this is my aloe vera moisturizer I used to moisturize, but in case you need the name, just check in my description. I'll write it down there so you can go there and check. So I'll be applying it right now. So this is what it looks like. See, this is what it looks like. So I'll be rubbing it all around my face. Just rub it around in a circular motion. Just make sure it gets to every part. Yes, it gets to every part. And then I usually just let it sit in for a couple of minutes and I rinse it off. So let's do that and see how it turns out, guys. I can't wait. Who else is as excited as I am? Yes, so let's see how it goes. See you guys in a couple of minutes. God obviously, I hope that was dramatic enough for you, because that was my aim. If it was dramatic enough, then mission accomplished. I did well. Yeah, your girl did well. Yes, guys, so this is the review. This is what you get after using turmeric and aloe vera to moisturize your skin. So this is just the first day of using this. Just imagine I use this every day. Imagine the kind of results I'm going to get. Well, I am impressed. Thank you, auntie, for recommending this. Jesus, look at where I am glowing. Your girl is glowing. Ignore the makeup. Even through this makeup, you can see that I am glowing. I love this. Anyways, guys, I hope you had fun as much as I did, because I can tell you I had a swell time taking you guys on this journey with me to see my skincare routine. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for coming, and don't forget to like this and like my previous videos, and then subscribe to this channel. Yes, guys, for more tips on how you can stay healthy and beautiful and glowing all day long. Thank you, guys. And if you've been a day one fan, guys, thank you so much, so much, because you guys, each subscriber gives me the strength to keep putting out content. So I thank you guys so much. I am new, our channel is new, but we are growing. Thank you guys so much. Then, guys, don't forget to check my blog out. It's chitchatrita.com. I'll be putting a whole lot of beauty and skincare routines that you guys can do to keep your skin glowing, guys. So once you go to chitchatrita.com, I have so many segments. Just hit on the beauty segment and you will see different routines you can do to keep your skin glowing. Yes, guys, places you can reach me on Twitter. I am CHITCHAT Rita. Yes, guys, that's my Twitter handle. Go there and follow me. Yeah, on Instagram, of course, I am chitchat_Rita. Then on TikTok, where I'm mostly active. In fact, this beauty routine, I made sure I put it up on my TikTok handle because I'm mostly active there. I love TikTok so much. Yes, so my handle on TikTok is at @PearlyRita. Pearly is PEARLY, then RITA. There's no space, you put it all together, and those are the places you can find me on social media. Thank you guys so much for being with me. I am so happy. Thank you guys so much. So see you guys next time. I am Rita. Ciao.